Emmy, keep it in the pool, please. 1. Ah!
Got her.
She loves that game, huh?
Almost there.
Hold on, I'm making a movie.
Getting Toby.
Does she love this game?
Yeah.
She's gonna be so wet to get in my car. Oh my jeez. Keep it in the pool, please. Emmy, in the pool. Whoa. Did you get you? Are you okay? Okay, get her one more time, and I'm going to turn the water off. Woo! Okay, say bye-bye.